Hi everybody, my name is Peggy aka Peggy Peg. Welcome to my channel. So lots of y'all have been asking me to show how my mom does a regular roller set, and many of y'all also have been asking me to show y'all what my sister's hair looks like. So I decided to combine the two videos together. So in this video I'm showing you how my mom does a regular roller set on my sister's hair. So as you can see, at first she used a detangling spray that I also use on my own hair when I do my roller set technique. So she used that on my sister's hair to be able to detangle the hair first, and after that she just applies the rollers. So as you know, my mom is not a professional hairdresser, so yeah, if the technique is not right, please don't be mean in the comments, writing like mean comments and stuff like that. She has been doing that for years for me and my sister, and it has always worked. So yeah, my sister is also relaxed like me. She is about 5 weeks post relaxer in this video. So yeah, I know some of y'all are gonna ask me that, so I am answering it right now. As you can see, she uses different sizes of rollers depending on the hair length. So my sister's hair in the front and in the back is shorter than in the middle, so that's why the rollers are a little bit shorter. So my mom does a full roller set in about 10 minutes. She's really quick. So when she's done, my mom just applies a net to protect the hair under the hooded dryer. So that's what she applied on my sister's hair. So yeah, I forgot to tell her to not remove her rollers right now. I wanted to film when she's gonna remove it, but yeah, I forgot to tell her, so I did not film when she removed her rollers, but I filmed when she brushed it out. So I'm just gonna show you that in a couple of seconds. So yeah, my sister was happy. Thanks, Mom. So yeah, this is what my sister's hair looked like after, when she finished removing the rollers. So after that, she only gonna pass a comb through it, and yeah, that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to watch one of the videos that I posted before, and yeah, thank you.